Hello students, welcome to Sufa E-class. In the previous lecture, we have discussed some numericals from the textbook. Now today in this lecture, we are going to discuss a very interesting fact about the gravitational force. So student, here, if you will see on the board, I have drawn one diagram here in which we have taken the earth and moon. So student, if you will see in your textbook, take out that page on which the information about high tide and low tide is given to you. And here in that, do you know? You have to see in that box which is given in your textbook, that is, do you know? So student, high tides and low tides are regularly observed in the sea. So student, do you know about the high tide and low tide? What is high tide and low tide? Have you ever seen that when you stand in front of that seashore, the water level rises up, and that rise of water level is nothing but a high tide. Means the level of sea water rises or increases, this is nothing but a high tide. And at the regular interval, that level of sea water goes down, it will decrease, and then decrease of that water level is nothing but the low tide. So student, this we have observed when we will go on any type of seashore. So here high tides and low tides are regularly observed in the sea. The level of water at any given location along the seashore increases and decreases twice a day at regular intervals. So student, after 6 hours 13 minutes, high tide and low tide occurs. So at particular place, at particular location, the level of sea water rises, increases or decreases. That increase of the water level is nothing but a high tide, and the decrease of that water level is nothing but a low tide. So high tides and low tides occur at different time at different places. The time is different of high tide and low tide at different places on the earth. Means at some place, at particular place, the high tide and low tide will occur, and at other place low tide will occur, and at other place high tide will occur. So student, the level of sea water changes because of the gravitational force exerted by the moon. So student, if we will observe the moon, then moon applies the gravitational force on earth. The gravitational force of moon is very small as compared to earth. So when this moon applies the gravitational force on the earth, the level of water rises. It comes bulge there, means the sea water is moved towards the moon when moon applies the gravitational force on earth. So water on the earth get pulled towards the moon. When moon applies the gravitational force on earth, the water level which is towards the moon get pulled towards the moon, and due to that the level of water goes up, causing the high tide at that place. Means if we will see this part of the earth, then moon applies the force on this part, and at the application of gravitational force by the moon, this water get pulled towards the moon, and that water level rises at that place. This causes the high tide at that place. So student, at two different places on the earth, at 90 degree from the place of high tide, suppose this is the place of high tide. Suppose this place is of high tide, and if you will see at the 90 degree angle, then this is the place where low tide occurs. This is a place of low tide. So if you will see that there is an angle between the high tide, low tide, which is of 90 degree, means at two places on the earth. So this is the first place and this is the second place, which is at the 90 degree from the place of high tide. This is a place of high tide, and at the angle of 90 degree from the place of high tide, low tide occurs. If you will see, the level of water is minimum at the low tide, and low tides occur there. You will see in the figure, this is the place of high tide, and exactly at the angle of 90 degree, if you will see at both the places, then low tide occur there, and water level is minimum at that particular place. So in this way, you can observe that the high tide and low tide occurs on the earth in the water is nothing but the gravitational force. It is due to the gravitational force exerted by the moon. So student, you have observed that we have discussed in this lecture about the high tides, low tides occur in the sea level of the water on the earth by the effect of gravitational force exerted by the moon. So student, in this way, this is all about the today's lecture. Now we will move towards the next topic in the next lecture. Thank you very much.